Hello guys, welcome to this episode. It's your go-to code guy Wisdom, and in this episode we're going to continue with the for loop variable, and we are going to continue tweaking the range method here, the range function. Remember we started that in the last episode, so if you are yet to see that, you should head over to the catalog session if you are watching from TikTok, and then if you're watching from YouTube, you can head over to the playlist. Yes, I've made a playlist for Python programming language. And this is our 30 something video now. So to get a better understanding of what we've been doing or what we've done here or what we'll do here, you are encouraged or advised to check the previous episodes, okay? To give you a better understanding. So in this episode, we are going to tweak this now to say what if we wanted this to go in a sequence of twos. That is to say, after one, the next number that comes up is three, the next number that comes up after three is five, and so on till nine. What if we wanted to do that? That's simple. First off, what's the number we want to start with? Say one. The second thing to do is to say what's in what sequence, or sorry, in what what's the last number we want to come up in this sequence. If we say 9, then we use 10 here, right? And then the third thing to do now is to say in um what's the sequence we want this to occur, we want this to we want our program to run in. That is to say, is it in twos, in threes? Remember, we are saying is in twos. Okay, so we want what we want to achieve here is to say 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So let's run this. We're going to run this now, and after running it, we'll come back here and explain what happened. Okay, so let's run this by hitting on a yellow play button here. So you see it says 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So I'm going to explain this quickly. So what happened here is we told Python, okay, start with 1. Okay, this is the number we want to start with. And then we want it to print up to 9. Remember from the last episode, we found out that Python doesn't print out the last figure here, this one here. Okay, it prints out the figure before that one based on our sequence. Now the sequence here is 2. We are telling Python to say, Python, although we want 1 till 10, which of course you will not print out 10, but then do this in the sequence of twos. That's to say 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, and when we ran this, we saw this output. Okay, we're going to tweak this a bit now to see something different. What we wanted it to be in sequence of threes. Okay, let's say threes here. So we are expecting to see 1, 4, 7. Okay, let's run this now and see what happens. Run this by hitting this 1, 4, and 7. So that's it, guys. We've been able to tweak this a bit, okay, to see the flexibility of our range method once again in this episode. We're going to continue doing that in the next episode. But that's it for this episode. I don't think I've missed out anything, but if I have, I'll be in the comment section or the description. Bye for now, guys.